Okay, so we still have chicken pox, but it is going. Not quite as bad as it was before, but still quite bad. We're going through that like scabby, kind of itchy stage, but now I've got scratch leaves. It doesn't like damage his skin as much, but we are just playing with trucks at the moment and we are being a good boy. Say hi, good morning. So today we're doing a pregnancy test, an ovulation test. I've just woken up, so yes, my hair's really greasy, I've still got yesterday's makeup on. I'm doing a video for you guys yesterday. So before I get started, I just want to give a little shout out to Katie Z. She is so sweet and she wanted to shout out, so here you go. If any of you would like a shout out, then please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and I'll give you a shout out. I really value my subscribers a lot because I love you all. I love the comments that you leave. No, that's too noisy. That's it. Oh. And without you guys, it'd literally just be me talking to a camera and literally not talking to anyone. So again, I'm doing the clear blue ovulation test. I don't know where my cheapies are. I ordered them ages ago. I normally order them on Amazon, it was slightly cheaper on eBay, but again you've got to wait for postage. So whilst we're waiting, we're going to do a pregnancy test. This is a one step, just exactly the same as I did the other day. They are super cheap, so if you are a pee on a stick mad like me, then these are your best bet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna set that down on the side. He's got his truck in the sink and he's like struggling with it. You big silly Billy! Yes, you are. Okay, so same as last time, I'm gonna take the lid off first. Oh, you can see how difficult they are to get off, right? So I don't want to be messing this up. Right. And then the little symbol comes up, so I'm gonna dip this for 10-20 seconds. Oh baby, I'ma pick you up. Amongst my car. Oh wow, this ain't no drug talk, it's no clue. Okay. Now last time it was a little bit streaked, so I'm not going to dip it for quite as long. But again, you have to lay it flat like this. You can't tilt it up this way because all the urine will just run and it will just give you like an error or like a false result. So as you can see, the ink has run across now to the control line. This camera is such a pain. It's Matt's stills camera. It is a Canon 600D, and although it's got beautiful quality, it doesn't autofocus. So when I bring stuff close up to the camera like this, I have to stop filming, refocus, film the snippet, turn it off, refocus, turn it back on again. It's a nightmare. I am looking to get a new camera though, so please leave me comments down below if you guys are in like the camera industry and know sort of like what good cameras are. The G7X, right, everyone is obsessed with this camera, the G7X. There's like the G9X as well. I don't know why everyone is obsessed with it, but apparently it's a really good vlogging camera. It's really fragile. I've heard lots of bad things about it being like easily breakable and stuff like that, but I don't know. I film a lot inside, so I need something that like catches the light a lot. Best lighting tip for you guys if you are going to start vlogging is use natural lighting. As you can see, I'm in my bathroom. I don't have any fancy lights on or anything. It's literally just my window right here. It is like 10:30 in the morning, so you want like good light. Okay, so this is now a sample. It is a little bit darker actually. The line is a little bit darker. I will show you. Can you see this is the line here? It's not as clear on the camera, but it is a lot darker than it was last time. Honestly, I'm spending more time focusing this camera. So yeah, that's a really good sign because... Johnny! I need all the light I can get, don't turn it off! Yeah, this is looking really good, so it's getting darker, which means that I'm like coming up to ovulation. As for the cheapy pregnancy test, I'm pretty sure it's negative, but just to kind of clarify something, so the last pregnancy test video I did, a few people were like, oh, what DPO are you and stuff like that. Like, I'm not any days past ovulation and I don't know what cycle I am because I've just had my contraceptive implant taken out, which is the Nexaplon, I think it's called. Nexplanon, I don't know, something like that. So I don't know what cycle I am, so it's going to take a few weeks or months for me to actually get back into my cycles and stuff like that. Oh my god, you're a pain. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to me for free and I will see you in my next video. Say bye ladies! That was pathetic. Have a kiss. Why?